If you're looking for reliable, affordable web hosting that delivers top-notch performance, DreamHost is what you're looking for. In this DreamHost review, I'll cover everything you need to know: pricing, features, performance, security, and my own test results to help you decide if DreamHost is the right fit for you. And the best part, you can save up to 75% off right now. I provide a link in the description below to DreamHost, where you get a DreamHost discount, getting up to 75% off web hosting, plus a free domain name. A little disclosure, the link is an affiliate link, meaning you'll receive commission from DreamHost at no extra cost to you. Plus, you get an awesome DreamHost hosting discount. If you haven't already, feel free to click the link in the description to visit DreamHost. DreamHost has been around since 1997, hosting over 1.5 million websites, blogs, and apps. They offer a full range of services: web hosting, managed WordPress hosting, VPS hosting, dedicated server hosting, cloud hosting, and more. So whether you're starting a small blog or running a growing business, DreamHost has something for you. Let's go over DreamHost web hosting plans, which are currently up to 75% off. Web hosting launch starting at $2.99 a month, comes with 25 websites, 40,000 monthly visits, 25 gigabytes NVMe storage, unmetered bandwidth, daily automated backups, unlimited free SSL certificates, 3 months free, 20 mailboxes, free handcrafted starter website, free domain for 1 year. Perfect for beginners or personal projects. Web hosting growth starting at $3.99 a month, comes with 50 websites, 200,000 monthly visits, 50 gigabytes NVMe storage, unmetered bandwidth, daily automated backups, unlimited free SSL certificates, 3 months free, 40 mailboxes, free handcrafted starter website, free domain for 1 year, ideal for small business websites or growing creators. Web hosting scale starting at $9.99 a month, comes with 100 websites, 400,000 monthly visits, 100 gigabytes NVMe storage, unmetered bandwidth, daily automated backups, unlimited free SSL certificates, 3 months free 60 mailboxes, free handcrafted starter website, free domain for 1 year. Best for agencies, developers, or large online businesses. And remember, all DreamHost plans come with a 30-day money-back guarantee, so you can try it risk-free. DreamHost offers several billing options: 4-year, 2-year, yearly, and monthly terms. The monthly plan is convenient, but does not include a free domain name. To save the most money and get a free domain for 1 year, the annual or multi-year terms are the best choice. One of my favorite things about DreamHost is its custom control panel. Unlike cPanel, DreamHost built its own interface, which is clean, modern, and incredibly user-friendly. You can easily manage your websites, domains, databases, and email accounts all in one place. It's perfect for beginners, but powerful enough for developers who need quick access to advanced tools. DreamHost includes some impressive features right out of the box: unlimited free SSL certificates for all your sites, daily automated backups, no need to install third-party plugins, free malware remover, and strong security protocols to keep your site safe. Email hosting included, up to 60 mailboxes depending on your plan. Plus, the free handcrafted starter website is a nice bonus if you want a professional-looking site built for you. Now let's talk about performance. I tested a fully functioning website hosted on DreamHost, and it loaded in an average of 930 milliseconds, which is under 1 second. DreamHost uses NVMe SSD storage, unmetered bandwidth, and an optimized server environment to deliver fast, reliable performance even during high traffic. DreamHost support team is available 24/7 via live chat and ticket system. They're based in the US, friendly, and genuinely helpful. They also have an extensive knowledge base packed with tutorials so you can troubleshoot or learn at your own pace. So is DreamHost worth it in 2025? Absolutely. With fast performance, excellent features, great security, and plans starting at just $2.99 a month, DreamHost offers incredible value for money. Whether you're launching your first website or managing dozens, DreamHost makes hosting simple, fast, and secure. And don't forget, you can grab up to 75% off right now using the link in the description below. Thanks for watching this DreamHost review. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button, subscribe for more web hosting reviews, and let me know in the comments which hosting provider you want me to cover next.